Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we've got something truly iconic to talk about, the return of a timeless American masterpiece, the Cadillac Coupe DeVille 2026. Buckle up, because this classic luxury cruiser has been reimagined with modern flair while keeping its legendary swagger intact. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Coupe DeVille keeps its signature long, low, and wide body lines, a nod to its glorious past. But now, it's been sculpted with aerodynamic precision. Sleek LED headlights, chrome-accented grille, and bold Cadillac badging bring a perfect balance of vintage and futuristic charm. The sharp fins at the rear. Oh yeah, they're back, and they're sharper than ever. Cadillac didn't hold back in honoring its heritage while pushing innovation forward. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. This new DeVille features a hybrid V8 powertrain that pumps out over 500 horsepower, blending raw muscle with environmental consciousness. It's fast, responsive, and gloriously smooth, just how a Cadillac should feel. The electric assist gives it a quiet push at lower speeds, while the V8 roar reminds you that this is still a legend from Detroit steel. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that's nothing short of a 5-star lounge. Premium leather upholstery, real wood trims, and a panoramic digital dash scream high-end luxury. Cadillac has seamlessly integrated technology into the retro layout, a 15-inch infotainment system, voice-activated controls, and AI-powered driving assistance ensure the ride is both enjoyable and safe. Comfort hasn't been compromised either. With massaging seats, customizable ambient lighting, and active noise cancellation, the 2026 DeVille offers a cabin experience that rivals private jets. And if you're rolling in the back seat, you're in for a VIP treatment, complete with tablet controls, retractable tray tables, and even a mini fridge. Now let's talk about performance. Thanks to the lightweight chassis and adaptive air suspension, the Coupe DeVille glides like a dream. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the highway, this beast delivers an effortlessly smooth ride. The driving modes let you switch between comfort, sport, or eco settings, giving you full control over how you command this classic reborn. Safety is top-notch too. Cadillac has loaded this coupe with every modern driver assist feature you can think of: adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, auto emergency braking, it's all here. This isn't just a beautiful ride, it's a smart one. But what truly sets the 2026 Cadillac Coupe DeVille apart is its soul. It's not trying to be another generic luxury coupe. It's a statement, a tribute to the golden age of American automotive excellence, rebuilt for a new generation of drivers who want luxury, performance, and heritage in one stunning package. So if you're someone who loves old-school Cadillac charm mixed with modern muscle and elegance, the 2026 Coupe DeVille might just be your dream car. It's big, it's bold, and it's back, and it's ready to rule the roads once again. Thanks for watching, car lovers. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the new Cadillac Coupe DeVille 2026, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Trend for more legendary rides, modern builds, and everything in between. Stay tuned, we've got more automotive icons coming your way.